We fall, we rise, we fall, but we will rise again. I said we will rise again.
Why? This morning I feel hungry. Feel like I want to drink some porridge and thing like that, you know? Then in the kitchen, I'm going to do a little thing. Because why? I have two man I want to do that stress me out too. And the one that stress me, I him the love. The one that stress me, I him the one that me love. The one that stop stress me out. Ask him for money to do my nails, he not give me money. Come jump on top of me, grind me out and left and gone going business. Just end up having to ask my husband to do my nails. Get my nails done. Now boy, still a call on my phone for me. Why I call on my phone for? You sauce him, you know? I don't know what I do. I will sauce him. I don't feel like more answer him. I'm just a call myself. I'm not with him today. Why take this thing back? No, man. I like the boy still, you know. I really like the boy and still a thing about it. If I fix him up so I can have him under my control, divorce my husband and keep him. Or if I want to get rid of him, just get rid of him for good so no other girl can get him. You understand? I'm going to have local grammar zone still, you know. I have local grammar zone. And I kind of love him belly too. So I know if I answer him call and sweet him up, I know I come. Once I say food, I know I come. You see me? Yeah. And porridge, one of my favorite things. So yeah, I make my porridge. Yeah, still a call me. I time out looking. Let him call I come over first. Then I answer the call. And my husband him soon, maybe soon I'll come too. I don't want to throw them back up, you know. Kind of be a big calamity. I don't want to throw them. You might call me then. You don't want to answer. Hello? Yeah, Ricardo. You know me can't take your style already. You know me can't take your style already. When you meet me, you know me at the hot girl. You grind me, you gone by your business. You never want to pay for the nails. My husband have to end up turn around and do my nails. What do you mean by am my husband supposed to pay for the nails? So you just want Lego wood too. Wood. And nothing behind it. I'm tired of this. I'm not lying, I'm really tired and fed up of this. I don't think I can do this no longer, you know. I talk to you about serious thing and ask me what I do. I'm in the kitchen, man. You ask me about what I do. I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, I cook. I make some porridge. That I feel for. I feel for some porridge in the day. You want porridge? I mean, you want porridge. You did contribute to make porridge. You give me money. I be a can you can me. So nobody even tell me say you give me money. You give me money when you come for true. You sure about that? Alright, when you come, call me when you're close by. So I can give you an update to know if my husband reach home, yes or no. Okay. You know money make me smile. All I have to do is do the right thing, you know. I'm left the boy. But just don't love him, man. But I can't go and take him money. No. You know that right. I done a cheap on him already. If you take him money and give you, you not give me the money, so I could have never take him money and give you. You give me money when I come. Okay, alright. Call me when you're close by. Because I tell us, I'm not no joke with you, you know. I don't no joke with you. Step me for one big idiot. Every day, you promise me money. And I know me can't get the money. Be a promise. Be a big dirty promise. And I can't get the money. You understand? You don't know what kind of crosses me take up for myself. Me take up for myself. What kind of crosses me take up for myself. Just because I would make boy take me for idiot. If I see nothing like this yet, because I look old. Take me for right. What's your call back? Hello? You just hang up the phone and you come back already. What do you mean a joke you that me cannot have no money for give me? Nobody come on my yard, you know? Nobody come on my yard. What do you mean? Every time you use the word love. Your love I catch cold right now, you know? Because you're not help me do nothing. You're not help me do nothing at all. Oh, me I get satisfaction from you. So that I hear a payment to me. Listen to me. Just come get the porridge. You see, me not even want you coming at my house. Me I go just under the porridge right at the door. You hear me I tell you? Right at the door, me I go under the porridge. No, because you get too bright. You get too bright now when you come in my house. Me feel sexy up when me I get porridge. You want me put on one of my grandmother long skirt them so that you come see me now. Bright and out of order. Listen to me, man. Just come get the porridge and go on by your business. You hear me I tell you? Just come, get the porridge. Come in no long talking with you. I tell you something in no long talking with you. You understand? So I see you when you come. Bright. Watch me. I go fix you. I bet you never play with one next woman again. I go fix you up. Watch me and you. Watch me rotted. Think me I play? Nah, me not pet no boy. No boy. Who that at the door? Who is there? Yeah, me, Curry. My girl, me not tell her say me, man. Stay have man at the door, wait, like you want your husband come see man out here. Open the door, man. Oh, are you rich? Come here. Go on, go there. Oh my girl, let me tell you, run. Yo, how about good day? I'll steam up something for me. Take off my shoes there. Yo, that's how I like coming out there now. Now good day, always a cook. One thing with your good day, you always a cook food for me. Yeah, just hope your husband not come catch me. See me good day. Just hope your husband not come catch me. Every time I come here I talk about husband. What's wrong with you, man? Stop asking for my husband, man. You come to see me, Stop asking for my husband, man. Alright, Mama. I'll just sit down on the table and go and wait for my porridge, isn't it? Make sure you make it just how I like it, you know. Yeah, you look good though. But you're not sexy up for me. You look good in that pink something there. But I take a piece right now. Why you bother me for recording, man? You keep talk about food. A food me I cook, man. It's some porridge me I make. I talk about food. A porridge me I make, man. You love your belly too much, man. Wait. When you call me, I tell you something, just start cook the porridge. Don't hurry me, man. Do not hurry me. That girl feel like she never give her my money when she have her husband. I want she take this thing for. The one she hear me. So she take bad man for. She feel me as a wife up she. Could have mad for wife up she. No girl we fucking at them husband bed. Me not turning on a wife. Cause same thing she gonna do me. Kinda rate her still, you know. But my own wife for her. Cause she a good girl, she just cook on them something there. But she fucking her husband bed. And she bring me here. Then she have a real idiot girl too. If you really feel say me really want her. I have my woman and she don't even know that. Feel like she want control two man for herself. I want she take this thing for. Again, idiot girl Goodas. What curry take bad man a fucking idiot to say man. Look lad. So or raw food. She will take purchase. What season watch me now. Take that baby. Pies them right. I hope him not come and come catch me. But in a known joke with him. That is not right. Don't do it. You're gonna throw away your life. Is this the life you want to choose? Do you think it's worth it? First of all, you should not be having this young man in your husband's house. Why would you want to kill him? You have a choice to let him leave. Let him go. Father, do you see how he's treating me? I am so weak to him. He comes every day. I have to give him food. I have to give him sex. Father, I think this is the best way. So I could get rid of him. Just let me do it. See? You should have known that you was messing with a bad person. Any man that sleep with another man's wife cannot be good. Worse in their matrimonial home. You caused this upon yourself. So you need to fix it. And this is not the way to fix it. Okay? So you're gonna get rid of that and give him a fresh batch like nothing happened. I'm done talking. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Look what this guy is trying to lead me to. Promise after today, I am done. I really love him, but I don't like how he treats me. So I'd rather to kill him rather than someone to have him and he treat me this way. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, to show up in times I need. I would have just thrown away my life for a man when I have a husband. Let me give him this porridge. Yes, I'm going to give him a fresh bath. Here you go, Ricardo. Thanks, Mama. Go and drink the porridge. One thing, you know, Mama just fix me up nice. Mama always make sure some good. I can't deal with Mama straight out. Plus, I have a girl. Mama can cook good. Mama do everything good. But the fact that she cheat on her husband, me could have never put her to be my personal girl. Because she gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna trust her. I'm not gonna trust Mama. You see me? Yo, I wish me didn't know her before her husband still, you know. I wish me didn't know her before her husband. Because she seems like a one good girl, you know. But I don't know why she don't like the husband and why she do them something, yeah. You see me? But she seems like a good girl. She always feed me and stuff like that. Although I don't provide nothing for her. True, she don't know, you know. I not even work and thing, you know. And she does save my life enough there and she don't even know. You understand? She don't even know. When I have it, that's why I don't give her. And I really can me, I can her. I have me, not have it. But she don't know. Because I always play big for her. Like I have this and that, and because her husband, I not give her nothing. See me? Why me not like this? Nice! Porridge are nice. Oh, Mama, put your foot in this. Mama like you put your foot in this, man. You put your foot in that one. Yeah. Nice, bad. Ricardo, you know, someone need to talk to you though. Because man, I like this, and this to me and you, it is not right. So I'm gonna set everything straight right now. You see, today is going to be the last day with me and you. Understand? I am married. I can't be doing this. I have to make things right with my husband. This life is not a good life. You coming over every day when my husband is at work. It is not right. And I want you to understand that I mean it. Because the next time you come, I am not going to open my door. And if you want to stay out there and my husband come and catch you, it's up to you. Okay? You sure this you want curry? You sure about that? Nobody calm me down after this, you know. When I left your yard to them, you know, you calm me down and tell me about you want a dick, you know. Because the last time I left you, you know, stop calling me and I cry and I tell me about your husband now, work and all of them something, you know. You understand? And that's why I'm still there on, you know. So just make sure this you want. I'm respect if you come forward and tell me, say, you want this, you see me? I'm not going to mess with you. And don't call me neither. But don't even want to be a friend. Cause friend are gonna lead up to different stuff. You see me? You understand? So more you go and take care of yourself too. And as I say, I gotta do right by your husband. Try to do right by him. You understand? Try to do right by him. And about that when me gonna bring in the next man. You see me? Anyway, I want to say a big thanks to each and every one of you guys who just watched this video. If you reach this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You need to subscribe, you know. You need to subscribe. Because you're gonna be missing out. Do you guys love this part of curry? Tell me if you don't love the part of curry. I bet you don't never know my app this than me. Yes, I'm just...
People on earth have a story. I want to hear some people's story. If you do hear some of them story, you would have